Hello students, your mathematics class exercise 5.3. First main we are doing convert the given 12-hour time to 24-hour time. This is the first main question. So the question A is 1:20 p.m. This is 12-hour clock time. Convert the given 12-hour time to 24-hour time. A question is 1:20 p.m. p.m. means what? After 12 noon. That becomes p.m. So 1:20 p.m. is given. You have to convert, this is 12-hour clock time. You have to convert this into 24-hour clock time. Solution. First write hours and minutes. Which is, how many hours is there? 1. This is 1 hour 20 minutes. So 1 hour 20 minutes. For converting 12-hour to 24-hour clock time, when you get PM, you must add 12. So it is given PM. So when PM you see, put plus 12 hours. 12 hours 0 minutes. When you add this 12 plus 1, 13 hours. 20 plus 0, 20 minutes. Now this is a 24-hour clock. That is called 24-hour time. So 1:20 PM means what? This is 12-hour time. How you read in 24-hour time? 13 hours 20 minutes. So answer you write 13:20. 13:20 means 13 hours 20 minutes. It is nothing but 1:20 p.m. This is how you have to convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time. B question. When you see AM, there is no need to add 12. Only when you see PM, you should add 12. Then you will get in hours, that is 24-hour time. But when you see AM, see in B question 2:19 AM it is there. So you need not add 12. Direct solution is 2:19 AM is equal to 2:19. It means 2 hours 19 minutes. Whenever you see AM, don't add 12. Only when you see PM, you should add 12 to convert 12-hour time to 24-hour time. D question 3:40 p.m. See, you see PM here. So PM means you must add 12. First solution, how you write? Hours, minutes. In hours, how many hours? 3 hours. Minutes 40. So 3 hours 40 minutes. PM is given, so add 12. 12 plus 13, 15 hours. 40 plus 0, 40 minutes. 15 hours, 40 minutes. This is the 24-hour time. Both are same. But this is what we use daily, in our daily life. 3:40 p.m. Like this we read time. But in 24-hour time, as you see when you go to railway station, you see such type of timings written. This is 24-hour time. When you go to railway station, you can see on the wall they have written timings. 15 hour 40 minutes. 15 hour 40 minutes means what? It is nothing but afternoon 3 o'clock 3:40. So right answer 15 hours 40 minutes. 15:40 or simply 15:40 also you can write. Now this is all about converting 12-hour time to 24-hour time. Now ulta. Second main question is what? Convert the 24-hour time to 12-hour time. This reverse. A question see 11 hours. This is 24-hour time. 11 hours. So when you see after 12 only, it is 24-hour time. So A question 11 hours means it is nothing but morning 11 o'clock. So solution direct you should write 11 AM. 11 AM. B question you see 13:20 hours. 13 means you must subtract 12. So first write solution hours minutes. 13 hours 20 minutes. 13 hours 20 minutes. Subtract 12. Here ulta same. What here you add 12, but here you subtract 12. 13 minus 12, 1. 1 hour, 20 minus 0, 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. But it 1 hour 20 minutes, whether it is AM or PM. See the hours, you see 13 hours it is given. Up to 12 don't write. After 12 only it is PM. Before 12 it is before 12 noon we write AM. After 12 noon we write PM. See 13 means it has crossed 12 noon. So 1:20 PM. 1:20 PM answer. This is the 12-hour time. Whereas this is question is 24-hour time. We have converted it into 12-hour time. So 1:20 PM. See question you see here 14-18 hours. See it has crossed 12. It is more than 12. So it will come in PM. This you should remember. When it is more than 12 in hours side you must see. If it is more than 12 it will become PM. So already 14 means it is more than 12. Answer will be in PM only. Understood? So solution how you write? First write hours, minutes. 14 hours, 18 minutes. 14 hours, 18 minutes. Subtract 12. Minus 12. 0 minutes. 14 minus 12, 2 hours. 18 minus 0, 18 minutes. But whether it is AM or PM, you must see here. If it is this hour, it is more than 12 means PM. It is more than 12 because it is 14 hours. More than 12 it is. So answer will be in PM. So answers here 2:18. 2:18 PM. This is how you have to write. D question you see here 16:35 hours. Hour side you see it is more than 12 because 16 means it is more than 12. Answer will be in PM. Solution you write hours, minutes, one side hours, 16 hours, 35 minutes, subtract 12. When you subtract 12, 16 minus 12, 4 hours, 35 minus 0, 35 minutes. 4:35 you should write. Afterwards, whether AM or PM, you must see here. If it is hour side, if it is more than 12, PM. 16 it is there, it is more than 12. So PM you must write. 4:35 PM. Put the 2 dots here to separate hours and minutes. So 4:35 PM. It means it is evening 4:35. This is how you have to solve the problems. Understand the problems. For only thing you should remember is for converting a 12 hour to 24 hour, it means AM or PM, you should add 12. For converting 24 to 12 hour, you should subtract 12. This you should remember. Understood? Your third main questions here. Write the time in 12 hour and 24 hour system. See, in both system you should write here. It is like fill in the blanks. Write the time in 12 hour and 24 hour system. A question. Arpita ate her breakfast at 8 o'clock. Breakfast means tiffin. Morning we eat breakfast. So it is morning means it is AM. Understood? It is AM. 8 o'clock means 8 AM. This is 24-hour clock. 8 AM. What about this 24-hour clock? This is 12 hour, 8 AM. In 24 hour we see we directly write 8 hours. 0800 hours means 8 hours. Because whenever you see AM, we don't add 12. Only when it is PM we add 12. So 8 AM means morning it is. So directly write 8 hours. Second B question you see the train is scheduled to depart at 10:30 in the morning. Morning means AM. So into what you write in 12-hour clock, box here 10:30 am. Whereas in 12 hour, 24 hour also am means don't add 12. So direct 10 hour 30 minutes. 10:30 hours. HR hours. 10:30 hours. Like this you should write. You can go whenever you go to railway station you can see like this written. That is, this is 24 hour clock time. So 10:30 am means 10:30 hours. Next, see here. C question. Ashish has invited his friend for dinner at 9 o'clock. Dinner usually when we do during night. So 9 o'clock, night 9 o'clock means it is PM. So in a 12 hour time what we write? 9 PM. 9 PM. 9 hours 0 minutes. It is 9 o'clock night. 9 PM. Whereas in 24 hour clock, whenever you see PM here, you should add 12 for this number. For 9 add 12. 9 plus 12, 21. 21 hours. So 21 hours 0 minutes, because here 0 0 is there. Here also 0 0 will come. Only we are adding 9 plus 12, 21 0 0 hours. 21 hours. This is 24 hour clock time. Next, D question. Tarun plans to watch a movie at 3:20 in the afternoon. Afternoon means it is PM, isn't it? Afternoon means we write PM. So 3:20 in the afternoon means 3:20 PM. Whenever you see PM, you must add 12, I told. So 3 plus 12, 15. This minutes as it is, 20. So 3 plus 12, 15 hours. This 20 minutes. So 15-20 hours you should write. HR means hours. 15-20 hours. This is the difference between 12-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time. But usually in our daily life we use this 12-hour clock time. Understood? So understand these solutions and write neatly in your maths CW. Exercise 5.4 will continue in the next class. Until then, complete your maths CW up to here.